Follow Myron Golden's formula and watch your mindset transform into a success machine in just 3 weeks. This formula has been proven to help people achieve success by essentially brainwashing themselves into a new way of thinking. Brainwashing often has a negative connotation, but in this context, it means reprogramming your mind with positive and empowering thoughts. By doing so, you can overcome limitations and unlock your full potential. The concept of brainwashing yourself for success is all about replacing negative thought patterns with positive ones, and Myron Golden's formula provides a step-by-step guide on how to do it. This process is not about forcing yourself to think a certain way, but rather about creating an environment that fosters growth and positivity. It's about becoming aware of your thoughts and intentionally choosing to focus on the ones that will help you achieve your goals. Many people struggle with self-doubt, fear, and anxiety, which can hold them back from achieving their dreams. Myron Golden's formula addresses these issues by providing a clear plan of action that can help you build confidence and develop a success-oriented mindset. The formula is designed to be implemented over a period of 21 days, which is enough time to create lasting change. The key to this formula is consistency and commitment. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to the process, you can start to see significant changes in your thoughts, feelings, and actions. The formula is not a magic pill, but rather a proven system that has helped countless people achieve success and transform their lives. People often face barriers that prevent them from achieving success, such as negative self-talk, fear of failure, and lack of motivation. These barriers can be overcome by identifying and challenging limiting beliefs, and replacing them with empowering ones. For instance, instead of thinking, "I'll never be able to do this," you can tell yourself, "I'll learn and grow from this experience." Limiting beliefs can be deeply ingrained, making it difficult to recognize and challenge them. However, by becoming more aware of your thoughts and emotions, you can start to identify patterns that hold you back. Once you're aware of these patterns, you can begin to work on replacing them with more positive and empowering ones. Negative thought patterns can also prevent people from achieving success. These patterns can include catastrophic thinking, where every obstacle seems insurmountable, or pessimistic thinking, where every outcome is expected to be negative. By learning to recognize and challenge these patterns, you can start to think more positively and optimistically. Another common barrier to success is procrastination. People often put off important tasks because they feel overwhelmed or intimidated. However, by breaking down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps, you can start to make progress and build momentum. This can help you stay focused and motivated, even when faced with challenging tasks. Fear of failure is also a significant barrier that can hold people back. However, instead of letting fear hold you back, you can use it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Every failure provides a chance to learn and improve, and can ultimately lead to success. People's past experiences can also shape their beliefs and behaviors, making it difficult for them to achieve success. However, by reframing past experiences in a more positive light, you can start to let go of negative emotions and move forward. This can help you develop a more positive and resilient mindset, which is essential for achieving success. Myron Golden's formula provides a step-by-step guide on how to overcome these barriers and achieve success. The formula includes daily exercises and activities that help you build confidence, develop a positive mindset, and stay focused on your goals. The first step in the formula is to identify your goals and values. This involves reflecting on what's most important to you and what you want to achieve. By clarifying your goals and values, you can start to create a sense of direction and purpose. The next step is to start reprogramming your mind with positive and empowering thoughts. This involves practicing daily affirmations, visualization exercises, and other techniques that help you focus on positive outcomes. The formula also includes strategies for overcoming obstacles and staying motivated. This involves learning to manage stress and anxiety, building a support network, and staying accountable to your goals. As you progress through the 21-day process, you'll start to notice significant changes in your thoughts, feelings, and actions. You'll become more confident, focused, and motivated, and you'll start to achieve your goals. One powerful success story that illustrates the effectiveness of the formula is that of a person who was struggling to find a job. After implementing the formula, they were able to land their dream job and start building a successful career. Another success story is that of an entrepreneur who was struggling to grow their business. After using the formula, they were able to increase their sales and revenue, and start achieving their business goals. These success stories demonstrate the effectiveness of the formula in helping people achieve their goals and transform their lives. By following the formula and committing to the 21-day process, you can start to see significant changes in your life. The key to success is to stay consistent and committed to the process. This involves making a daily effort to practice the exercises and activities outlined in the formula, and staying focused on your goals. By doing so, you can start to build momentum and achieve your goals. You'll become more confident, motivated, and successful, and you'll start to live the life you've always wanted. In conclusion, Myron Golden's formula provides a proven system for achieving success and transforming your life. By following the formula and committing to the 21-day process, you can start to see significant changes in your thoughts, feelings, and actions. The formula is not a magic pill, but rather a step-by-step guide that helps you build confidence, develop a positive mindset, and stay focused on your goals. By staying consistent and committed to the process, you can achieve your goals and transform your life. The main points to remember are to identify your goals and values, reprogram your mind with positive thoughts, and stay focused on your outcomes. By doing so, you can start to achieve your goals and live the life you've always wanted. The formula is a powerful tool that can help you unlock your full potential and achieve success. By committing to the 21-day process, you can start to see significant changes in your life and start living the life you've always wanted. Check out my other video where I dive deeper into personal development strategies and share more tips on how to achieve success.